Hello viewer, we will make the changes around it. Let's use the designs. I will take another shape. It's a design here. We have to collect different pictures. There, I will use that design here and make the changes. So let's change the shapes and have a structure. I will try to make the changes there.